IRAL virtual party. Man, that is huge. That is huge for you to get it there. So tell us now a little bit about this virtual party, this festival, the artist lineup, the bands and the people involved.
Tune in on that day, and all your friends, your family, grandma, grandpa, everybody can tune in and watch the virtual party, right? Festival. We
Definitely.
have artists like Balo, Dr. Henry. These are African guys from
Okay.
Winnipeg that's been
Mm-hmm.
performing around the Winnipeg areas, right? And maybe a lot of people don't know them, but they're very, very talented artists, right? And bands. And we've got De La Rose and a bunch of other Latin performers.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, there will be dancers. Papa Mambo Trio is a well-seasoned band that been playing Latin music here. So you're gonna get a real awesome mix of culture right
Right.
here. It's
Uh-huh.
like, IRL is a melting pot for these culture. And then
Okay.
we have
Okay.
on the reggae side, if I might miss a few of them, but as we go along, it's dancers as well, as you can read on there. Um, Yard is my favorite band on this poster, and
Mm.
because they have ties to me that are very
Well, tell
close.
us a little about the ties. Oh, well, let us hear it.
Well, the Yardis is actually my family band.
Oh my gosh. Oh man. No, I see you. No, I see what's happening. So you're spreading this throughout the younger generation so they can follow in your footsteps and carry
Yes,
on this
yes,
tradition.
yes,
Wonderful,
exactly.
man.
Yeah, exactly. So the Yardis are my family band. We have
Uh-huh.
a total of 8 members in it. There's two that is person that is friend.
Is the
Uh,
wife included as part of the 8 members? Or
yes, my
she's
wife is
just
in.
on the financial side, making sure
No,
the money is
no,
well
man. She's
spent.
a singer, man. She's a singer,
Oh,
man.
okay,
Wait
all
till you
right,
hear she
okay.
starts
Then
singing.
what's her name and big up, man? What's up?
it's it's Carol, my wife, and
Ah,
she's an awesome singer, a singer, and she is very key to the band as well, as one of the leading factors here.
okay,
And we've
nice,
got
man.
Jada also is my daughter,
Cool.
right?
So how old is Jada? She's a
Jada
singer also.
Jada's 19. Jada actually is a singer songwriter musician.
What?
She has a song out now that is
Uh huh.
called "When You Lie." You should check it out. It's pretty nice, and
Okay.
she's awesome. Not because it's my kid, but hey,
Right, right,
look out for her because honestly, she has a bunch of songs lined up,
right.
right?
Uh
To
huh.
be releasing in the near future, So you
Okay.
got to keep a eye on her because she's gonna be somebody to watch, like within the next year,
Okay.
right?
Okay.
My son's also Justin is the bass player. He's 12, going on 13.
Mhm.
Actually, he's 13. I got an 11-year-old son that is playing the drums right now,
What?
and yeah, so they're young, but don't be fooled. Their music is quite there, I would say.
Okay. All right. All
Yeah.
right. All right. So big up to IRAL Virtual Fest, the International Reggae Art, International Reggae Afro Latin and Music Festival, coming to you live and living colors on July 10th, 7:30 Eastern Standard Time. So put it on your calendar and tune in. Join us for this heavy hitter coming out of Canada. That's Mr. Neville Hamilton himself live here with us in our virtual studio and our platform, Black History Entertainment, Black History Radio, where we promote the arts in the black community and the diaspora all over the world.